Fluffy pancakes and chocolate drink. How does that sound for breakfast or snack? Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. You're welcome to Taste and Bloom. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any new videos. Now let's get cooking. For our pancakes, we'll need some flour, milk, an egg, vanilla extract, sugar, and some baking powder. So first, in a bowl, we will break our egg and add in our sugar and then whisk. Make sure both ingredients are well combined. By the way, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by once again. Now I'll go ahead and add my milk and whisk that also in. And now my flour will also go in with my baking powder. I'll whisk till I get a smooth mixture with no lumps. Lastly, I'll add my vanilla extract and then stir that also in my mixture. Once all the ingredients are well combined, we'll go ahead and fry our pancakes. So first of all, you grease your frying pan and place it on medium-low heat. With a ladle, I'll scoop some of my mixture into the frying pan. So what I'll do is to wait till bubbles appear on my pancakes before I flip. The bubbles are a way to know that side of your pancake is cooked. So I'd say let each side fry for between 4 to 5 minutes. Now we'll set our pancakes aside and make our chocolate drink. For that, we'll be using some milk, 1 date, unsweetened cocoa powder, peanut butter or groundnut paste, and a banana. So into a blender, I'll add in all my ingredients. And then I'll blend till it is very smooth. My toddler enjoys his pancakes with honey, but you can add maple syrup or even fruits if your toddler prefers that. Yet a chocolate drink no, and a pancake neso. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Add it to your Christmas menu and thank me later. Please like and share this video and leave a comment down below so I know you truly enjoyed it. So till we meet again, keep blooming.